ES3 Duluth WeatherMax forecast with meteorologist Dave Anderson.
Well, here we go again. Another round of cold weather coming to call by tomorrow morning, and just about our entire area covered by a freeze warning or a frost advisory yet again. Freeze warning this time around is for the interior parts of the arrowhead of Minnesota, and then for parts of northern Wisconsin from Ashland into the upper peninsula towards Ironwood, Bessemer. And so the middle part of our area facing a frost advisory. Bottom line, it'll be chilly, and just in case you have any survivors holding on to the garden, do what you can to save them. After tomorrow, things should start to warm up back towards normal for the weekend, and then a warm spell hits us by Monday. Could stick around a couple of days, and we'll talk about how many days with our 7-day forecast in just a bit. But we've got the current conditions in hand now coming in from the airport. It's 55. Relative humidity really dry at 24%. North-northwest winds going 9 miles per hour, and our air pressure is on the high side at 30 inches of mercury, or 1,026 millibars. Taking a look at current temperatures, the normal's around 65, and everybody's cooler than that. We have 50 to 52 in the upper peninsula, and 53 to 57 here in northwestern Wisconsin. The warmer temperatures coming in from Superior, mid-50s for east central Minnesota, North Shore numbers running from 48 to 52. And then Mesabi range, Vermilion range, border country numbers, they're in the low to mid-50s as well. Low temps tonight, then by tomorrow morning, upper 20s to lower 30s, hence the advisories and the warnings for frost and freeze. But warm up coming, like I mentioned, starting in the weekend, really culminating next week with one day at 75. And again, we'll point out that day with the 7-day just a bit. But right now, up aloft, there's a little bit of lower pressure, and a couple of showers are trying to come down. Most of this is turning out to be virga, the type of rain that re-evaporates before it touches the ground. And with higher pressure reinforcing itself here, thickening and strengthening, I think we're going to have a clearer sky rather than a cloudier one as we go through tonight. And that's another reason why it's going to be on the chilly side. Now on the rainy side, it's our friends in the south. There is Tropical Storm Sally now starting to go through the Carolinas here and even pushing rains into Virginia. But by tomorrow afternoon, it should be into the Atlantic, scare a couple of fish, and then folks will be able to clean up and rebuild, especially along the Gulf Coast where plenty of rain indeed has fallen. We could use some rain in our neck of the woods. Not many chances coming our way for the next 7 days. Tonight and tomorrow, the cooler high pressure still has hold of our area, but for the weekend, it'll start to warm up as this low pressure system and its fronts come our way. Will the low bring any rain? Late Sunday night into early Monday morning, there's a 30% chance we could get a little, but that seems like it, precious little. And once the low passes, the warm air lingers, and we'll get 3 days in the 70s. Now it's time to point out those days. Here's our extended forecast. Lows tonight should go from 29 to 39, cooler inland, warmer by the lake. Clear and cold is the bottom line. And that bottom line lurches its way into Wisconsin and the UP as well, where the low temps there should be 29 to 34. For tomorrow, still a little cooler than normal. Wisconsin, Michigan with sunshine. You'll get a range of temps from 55 to 60. In Minnesota, it's pretty much similar there, 55 to maybe 61 down towards Moose Lake. Sunny and cool with an east wind 5 to 10. But then for Saturday, 64, partly cloudy, we'll call that close enough to normal. 68 Sunday with sunshine most of the day. That's a little better than normal. And there's the warm period, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 70 to 75 degrees. Tuesday is the pick of the litter. And Tony, we always tease about you playing hooky. You never do.
Yeah, I never do, no.
Great Minnesota, Northland, Wisconsin, Michigan work ethic. But, you know, if you were tempted, that would be the day to secede or be susceptible to it.
Okay, so you put the bug in my ear, so now when I get in trouble for doing it, I get to come after you, right?
Sure, why not?
Okay, sounds good. Thanks, Dave.
I'm a slow target in my age.
The Twin Ports Shipping Industry